Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this Roborace and the item number 1A656. So let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body looks like this. Okay, and here is the sticker for this car. Okay, so the chassis for this car is the MA chassis, and the material that is ABS. Okay, and the parts come with it is orange. Okay. So the wheel is medium-sized wheels, and this is also the PP wheels, the regular wheels. Okay, and the tire it comes with is the soft medium tire. Okay, the gear ratio for this car 3.5, and the pink penny gear, and others is just regulars. All right, so let's see how it looks like after we build it. Let's go. Okay, so I heard from my friend the sticker for this car is pretty hard to put it on. So for me, I'm not really good on the stickers. I think I would just keep it as a collection. So if you also like to collect like the card model Tamiya's, maybe it's time for you to collect one. Alright, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.